In this video, we're going to look at installing campaign templates from the marketplace. A lot of the automation models that you'll see in future videos can be implemented faster by using the pre-built campaign templates as a starting point for the strategies framework. In this video, we're going to take a look at finding campaigns in the marketplace and installing campaigns from the marketplace. To start, go to marketplace.infusionsoft.com. Using the Explorer drop-down in the upper right, select Campaigns. This is going to load a list of all the publicly available campaign templates that you can download. You can further filter these results by refining your search here. For example, if I want to find campaigns to help me sell, here are all the campaign templates that have been flagged as something related to selling. For example, let's say we want to do a simple customer upsell. When we're in the actual campaign listing, all we have to do is click on the blue install button. If you're already logged into Infusionsoft, you'll see a list of all the available apps which you can install. If you're not logged in, you'll be asked to log in, and then you will see a list. Select the application or applications you'd like to install, and then select Begin Install. Once the installation is complete, you'll be able to see it in your list of campaigns. Infusionsoft's platform has a campaign publishing tool, which gives the ability to export and import campaigns between applications. Infusionsoft curates a library of publicly available campaigns in the marketplace as part of its platform. In this video, we leverage the publishing tool to pull from this public repository of campaign templates and installed it into the specific Infusionsoft application of our choice. Most campaign templates come with launch instructions. Think of it as a recipe for this particular automation model, even if we don't fully understand what's being done. By following the steps that they've provided, we can be confident that we're implementing this campaign as it was intended. Also, Infusionsoft regularly releases new campaign models into the marketplace, and each campaign solves a specific problem. So by keeping a finger on the pulse of new releases, it can potentially speed up implementation. And quite often during implementation, we'll run into common structures. For example, a web form to a purchase. And this is used, for example, in most online launch models. These common structures are most likely in a campaign template somewhere, so becoming familiar with the library can give you a head start on these different models. One last pro tip. Infusionsoft teaches lifecycle marketing as how to attract leads, sell those prospects, and then wow the customers. You can actually search for attract, sell, or wow to show campaign templates that are related to that part of the customer lifecycle. In the next video, we're going to look at connecting web forms together.